Hi, in this video I want to show you a cute game played by Anish Giri against Vladislav Artemiev in this year at Super Tournament in China. Anish played as white and he really demolished black's position with a nice sacrifice and nice attack. Without saying no more, let's go directly to the game and learn the best techniques from the great chess player. Last move of black was knight d8, and that is a strong mistake, because after bishop takes h6, typical idea of sacrificing, whites are almostly winning. G takes h6, queen h6, and the black king is completely negged, and we are going to attack as white. So knight f7, queen check on g6, king f8, and here Anish played knight h2. That's a really nice move from the human side. We want to play f4, maybe knight g4 at some moment. But according to the computer, white had amazing knight goes g5. It's, I believe, impossible to find, because the idea that after knight takes g5, we are continuing with f4. So we sacrifice two pieces. And in the main line, after knight f7, knight h5, takes at the moment, we basically sacrifice all three pieces. So black needs to go bishop f6, other way I will checkmate on f7, and like such position, computer believes that the attack of white is unstoppable. But in my vision, the knight h2 move that computer marks as the mistake is also very good decision. Rook goes a8, and for sure here we are in the attack, and we don't need to trade the pieces. Rook goes e1, nice understanding from Anish. Bishop d8, trying maybe to get away for the king, but here rook f3. f4 also was still possible, but rook f3 looks cute because we are moving the rook to f3 to attack, to continue the attack. Artemiev tried to play knight h8, but it's not helpful. So check, king goes, rook f3. Our next idea is to go knight h5, take this knight, and unfortunately major pieces of black are away from the king and they can't help him in defense. So after rook g8, knight h5, Vladislav tried to play rook g6, but is also losing. After queen takes h8, bishop e7, queen h7, unfortunately he resigned, because he needs to go back with the king. I can capture the rook, then capture the knight with my knight, and that's absolutely winning for white. So interesting game, interesting and typical sacrificing of the bishop, and nice attack from Anish. Learn it and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more useful games.